Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to view completed tasks in Clickup. So the first step would be open up your Clickup account and go to any task you want, and to select it you just have to click here. Once you select a task, you will get this navigation bar and you have to select Set Status. Click on that. Once you click on Set Status, you will get this, and you have to choose the option Complete. Once you click on Complete, the status of the task that you clicked will be set to complete. Now, to view the completed tasks on your screen, you have to go here and click on Filter. Once you click on Filter, you have to click on Show Closed. And once you click on Show Closed, you will see all the tasks that you have completed will appear here on your screen. Sometimes this tab is disabled, so just simply enable it so you can see your completed tasks. You can choose multiple tasks at one time and also set their status to complete. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.